Now Portia says that you can even have gold to pay the petty debt 20 times over. That means the small amount of debt which he owes him, she is even giving the gold also to pay it, and that to 20 times above the amount of money. When it is paid, bring your true friend along. Now she says, when this amount of money is paid, bring your true friend along. My maid Nerissa and I will live as me and my maid Nerissa, me and my maid Nerissa and myself meantime will live as maids and widows. That means we will live as the life of maid and widows. That means they will be living the life of unmarried girls till their husbands do not return. Now she says, come away, for you shall hence upon our wedding day. That means come, let us must go away from hence, means from here, because it's our day of wedding. With your friends welcome, that means you may welcome your friends, ask them to that they are very welcome to our place. Show a merry cheer, that means show a very cheerful face to them, since you are dear bought. I would love you dear, but let me hear the letter of your friend. Now she says, since you are dear bought, that means since your friend has paid you for you so dearly. Now who is the friend over here who has paid for him so dearly? Who is the friend over here? The friend over here is Antonio, who has paid a lot in the terms of what? In the terms of that he was even ready to sacrifice his own body for making sure that Bassanio receives whatever he actually wanted to. Now Bassanio, she requests Bassanio to let him hear the letter that was sent by him. Bassanio reads the letter. It says, sweet Bassanio, my ships have all miscarried, and my creditors, that means all the person who have helped him in his business, they have all grown very cruel. And my estate means the means through which he is able, that means he is talking about his financial condition, was very, very poor. So therefore he says, my estate is very low. And then he says, adds saying that as my estate is very low, he says, my bond to the Jew is forfeit. And then he says, my bond to the Jew is actually forfeited. And since in paying it, and he says that when I'll be paying this bond, as it has been forfeit, I know it is very impossible that I'll be able to live also. Now he is knowing this very well, that when he will be forfeiting, therefore when he is going to pay in the form of forfeiture, definitely for sure he is not going to live. And therefore he says, all debts are cleared between you and I. And I says, all the debts that were there between you and I, they are all made clear. There are no any more debts between you and me. And then she says, he says, if I might but see you at my death. Now he says, but I just wish, I have a wish that I may be able to get to see you during the time of my death. Notwithstanding, he says, use your pleasure. If your love do not persuade you to come, let not my letter. Now he says that please make this very sure that if you are coming over here, it should not be the letter that I have sent to you. That means he is saying that if you are coming over here to me, make this very sure that it is your love for me which actually persuades you to come to me, but not the letter. That means he says that it should not be that you have come over here due to the letter. He says it's your pleasure, it's your wish. Make sure that you are not persuaded by the letter, and that is why you are coming over here. Don't pay any attention to my letter. Just if you come, then don't make sure that it's your pleasure that you are coming over back to me. Portia says, oh love, dispatch all business and be gone. Now Portia says, oh love, just finish off all the business and then be gone from here straight. Now here she says, Bassanio says, since I have got your good leave to go, since I have got your good permission to go away, I will make haste. That means I will try to hurry up. But till I come again, no bed shall ever be guilty of my stay. Now he says, but till I will come back over here, he says, no bed shall ever be guilty of my state. That means he says, I shall not go to bed, and not even rest can keep me separated from you. Nor rest be interposer twixt us twain, means that twixt, interposer means one who comes in between, and twixt means between, twain means two. So he says that rest will not act as a barrier or a restriction between we both, because he says that now I'm not going to stay at all and not going to rest at all unless and until I will come back to you from there. And then they all exit from the scene.